Early in the morning, late at night. Wait.
I found a love for me. Darling, just die.
My name is Juliet. I'm so happy today because I'm getting married to my world best husband, my Odogu crush. I'm so happy.
Beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time.
My name is Ogachukwu Chibuzo Akabalu. Today, March 19th, marks my official wedding day. I'm getting married to Nkirika Ibe. She's from Ebony State. She's a wonderful woman, very calm, sweet, smart, organized, and caring. I thank you all and welcome you all to my magnificent wedding day, which was also my birthday, and we will have an amazing time. Thank you for joining.
To carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight.
Suffer for work, enjoy for heaven. This thing they happen to anyone. I come from nothing, enter many things, but this thing they happen to anyone. Yeah. I live the life that I love the life that I live. Tomorrow's not promised, but I'll keep the things that I need. Love is in the air, wear face mask. No matter the matter, I'll be rich till I die. 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 A plan is say